Let's make sausage egg McMuffins. First, we're going to start with Tillamook cheddar, put it on an English muffin, throw it in the oven to toast it. I got these Jimmy Dean sausage patties from the dollar store. I was a little hesitant, but you put 2 of them on a plate with a paper towel, throw it in the microwave for about 60 seconds. They come out looking like this. I promise you, they taste and smell exactly like normal patties. Now to make the eggs, we're going to start with butter over medium heat. To get those perfect formed eggs, I use an egg mold. Crack the egg in the center, add a little bit of water to the pan, and then you're going to want to cover it and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how you like your eggs. And then once English muffins come out of the oven, the cheese is melty and gooey. This is what my egg looks like after 3 minutes. You can tell that the yolk is still a little bit soft. It's not hard boiled. That's the way my fiance likes it. Anyway, perfectly round. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Throw it on top of that cheese and English muffin and sausage. Also, be sure to add salt and pepper so the seasoning people don't roast you on TikTok. Anyway, this was so easy. I don't know why I've never made it before. But this is what it looks like. It is way better than McDonald's. Please like and follow for more. Thanks.